Rangers versus the Nationals. Here we go. To Chenzo, but taken away. Nationals with a shot. Heading downhill. Oh, that was offside call, but ref, no call. Zhang defending. Ooh. Nationals, man, just get a shot off. Brown trying to come in, back check. Nationals gets to the middle and fires one in. Stopped by Gurris, deflected by Atkin. Good attempt. Nationals. Ice is one. Button to Chenzo. Nationals ice the puck. Take it down. Nationals with a breakaway. And it's saved by Gurris. Gurris loses a stick though in the process. Ref waves off the goal because the net was off the stanchion. Goal waved off. Shot for the Nationals. National keeps it in. Nice little poke by Hunky. Close call. Nationals takes a shot from point. Stopped by the goalie. Nationals, sense of urgency. Covered up. Win 3-0. All right. Hope you have a good rest of your Sunday. Have a good one. See you next time.